In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a collection in your Payhip store builder. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, making sure you understand exactly what to do so you can confidently manage your online store's appearance. Let's dive right in and make this as seamless and straightforward as possible. We'll begin by navigating to the store builder. From your dashboard, take a look at the left-hand menu and locate the store section. Once there, click on Launch Store Builder. This will open up the tool that allows you to customize your store's layout and design. The Store Builder is your creative playground for aligning the aesthetic of your online shop with your brand's unique style. Now, an important part of customizing your store involves deciding which collections to display. Collections typically show up on your All Products page, or in some cases, you might have a collection section on a custom page you've designed. Your next task is to go to the specific page where the collection you're aiming to remove is currently visible. This could be any page where you've strategically placed a section to highlight certain grouped products. Once you've arrived at the desired page in the store builder, it's time to locate the collection section. This is usually labeled as something straightforward, like Collections or Featured Collection. Hover over this section within the live preview of your store. Doing so will make a small toolbar appear, offering you options such as Edit Section, Duplicate, and of course, Delete. To remove the collection, click on the Delete option, represented by a trash icon. Don't be alarmed. This action only takes away the visual display of that collection on the current page within the store builder. Rest assured, the collection itself, the lineup of products you've meticulously selected, remains saved and secure under the Products section in Collections. You're simply ensuring that your storefront maintains a clean and organized look without cluttered or unnecessary sections. With the collection block now removed from the page, you're almost at the finish line. The next crucial step is to save your changes. In the upper corner, you should see the option to save changes. Give that a click to ensure all your hard work doesn't go to waste. One final step before your adjustments go live is to hit Publish. This will push the updated version of your store out into the world, reflecting all the changes you've just made. And there you have it, a polished, collection-free page on your Payhip store, ready to present to your customers. By mastering these simple navigation and editing skills, you're not only enhancing the look of your online store, but also improving the shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for tuning in, and happy store building!